Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AYTU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and orange line here are coming from. And I'm actually going to just get rid of that green line there. Sure, it still pertains. And the reason I'm getting rid of that is I'm just going to still continue to follow that because in my mind, this level is doing a fantastic job of showing how the selling pressure has been acting throughout the past couple of days. So the first update I'm going to do is just simply extend that resistance trend line out. As I've talked about in past videos, it's one thing to say that there's been selling pressure that has shown up in a stock, but I mean, those are just words, right? That's just a phrase. But that's why I love charts. They allow you to take words, take phrases, and then visualize them. And, so visualize the selling pressure comment as that trend line right there, meaning that there's still a nice amount of selling pressure, present here. And that really remains the case until the price can first prove itself, and quote unquote prove itself being defined as getting up to that level and then eventually breaking above it. Now, I'm not saying it's got to explode above it or anything like that, but at least getting up above that level and then maintaining up above it would be a good symbol and signal that, it's looking like the selling pressure is alleviating, and now the bulls are, going to try to potentially be able to overcome, any sort of additional selling and make another move to the upside. So point here being, going into next week, that trend line there, definitely the key area of resistance. As far as supports are concerned, after today's price movement, key level to watch now going forward, going to be right up here around the $1.15 mark. $1.15 you can see is essentially where the price leveled out, right around there. Price never hit it quite today, but that'll be the near-term level, $1.15. If that level can't hold up, especially if it's a high-volume break to the downside, then no such thing as a guarantee, but at that point, it would not be shocking at all to see the price revisit the 200-period moving average, which on my chart is denoted there by that pink line, which is valued at 84 cents. But all in all, key level of resistance, that resistance trend line right there. Key level of support at $1.15, and then the 200-period moving average. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.